We have a cooling problem. Every time your laptop makes that little sound, zzz, it's the fan engaging because it's struggling to get rid of the heat. Hi, my name is Julia Carpenter. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Apheros, and we're here to solve cooling issues. What's happening with your laptop is happening in a much larger scale in data centers. 1% of global energy is used just to cool data centers. And every time we use ChatGPT and store our pictures in the cloud, those data centers are struggling with heat. At Apheros, we have developed a new type of material that is intrinsically self-cooling and can deal with this problem. It brings the heat out of the servers and chips and helps it be guided away so we can use all our cloud computing as we want. Thanks to the InnoBooster from the Gebert Rüf Foundation, we've been able to work with multiple companies, large and small, to develop prototypes and test them for their performance. Additionally, we've been growing our team both in production as well as in business development. It is an exciting time, so look us up at apheros.ch to learn about the newest things happening here.